So, we've got a little bit of a problem, boys. So you guys already know that I absolutely love my Tomei exhaust. I love it to death, and I don't plan on selling it anytime soon. But unfortunately, it's broken. The Tomei that I have on my car is the 80R, and it's a full titanium catback exhaust. I fucking love the sound. I've went through 4 exhausts, and this one is by far my favorite. All right, so taking a look underneath the car, you can like barely see it, but yeah, there we go. You can see that there's like a crack in the exhaust. And titanium exhausts are supposed to be a lot stronger than regular exhausts. My theory for why it broke is because when I air out, my subframe is really close to the ground. My exhaust was squished against the ground and the subframe, and the exhaust must have been really, really hot, and it finally just broke. You can kind of see like the exhaust is like really big, and then it gets small over there. Not only because I scrape it so damn much, but also because I think it just keeps getting squished. And this needs to be cleaned. So recently what I've been noticing is that this exhaust actually got a lot louder than when I first got it, and my initial thoughts were, okay, the muffler or like the inner part of the muffler probably blew out like a lot of the eBay exhausts do, but then it occurred to me that it could be an exhaust leak because I scraped this exhaust literally everywhere. Now Tomei does sell the mid pipe, I believe it's called. I'm not 100% sure, so don't quote me on that, but they do sell that piece of the exhaust separately because it's known for breaking and scraping, but it's $280, so I'm not gonna be buying that because I'm literally going to break it in like a week. Instead, what I'm gonna do is take a piece of the exhaust off, drop it off to a local exhaust shop, and they're gonna weld it shut. The reason why I'm not gonna weld it myself is because I'm pretty sure welding titanium is a lot different than welding regular metal. I'm gonna let a professional handle it because I'm tired of this raspy exhaust. I want the Tomei to sound nice and tamed again. Let me take the time. I know you like when I describe it. This is what New Jersey does to your car. That is so damn rusty, dude. Holy crap. And this car only has 12,000 miles on it. After like 30 minutes of trying, we finally got it. Here it is. Holy shit, dude.
That shit flat.
Damn.
That shit flatter than your car's ass.
What do you mean,
It's
bro?
flatter than your car's ass. Just look at it.
What do you mean? Bruh, BRZs have a better booty than WRXs.
No,
that's just a fact.
Go look at my booty. Go look at my booty.
Go look at my booty.
Leaving the first shop right now, it was a total bust. They were not able to do it because they said since it was titanium, the metal was too thin and that their welding would just burn right through it. So they told me to go to a different shop, luckily in the same town. So, rip. We're heading there right now, so hopefully they can TIG weld it. So the exhaust should be back on the car today.
More than anybody else, like you don't gotta take that. You're just getting on my nerves. I'm just trying to lay back, take a breath and save that. Too much energy, you shouldn't waste it.
Hopefully they can fix my exhaust because this is pretty much my last option. If you guys ever want to talk to somebody that's in a different room as you, just go like this. Yo, stop fucking around. Leaving with some good news and some bad news. What would you say it is? Good news or bad news?
Good news, good news.
Good news. So they can fix it. They're gonna be able to fix it. Not anytime soon. They have a lot of cars waiting. They mainly focus on BMWs, and there is a shit ton of BMWs outside and inside. So for like a day, I'm gonna have to go without an exhaust, which really isn't a big deal to me. Only thing is that today we're gonna go out and take pictures. So we're gonna have to take pictures from only the front and the side. We gotta make sure that the back of the car isn't seen because now I'll have 2 empty holes. Back home now, and like I was saying, we're just gonna have to ditch the whole exhaust. So the Tomei is gonna have to sit out for this photo shoot. Sorry, buddy. High key, this sounds really bad. What the hell? It's popping so much more. I'm sorry, people around me. I am so sorry to everyone around me. So loud. Oh my God. Holy shit.
More than anybody else. Got my head floating in the clouds, like I ain't touching down till I see we good. Yeah. Cause I don't really wanna feel the love. Done it all before, still you want it now. More than anybody else. Got my head floating in the clouds, like I ain't touching down till I see we good. Yeah. Cause I don't really wanna feel.
I know it's hard to see in my videos, but if you guys follow my Instagram, you guys know that it says bitch skirt under my wing. I think it's pretty funny. I like it, but I'm thinking about changing it. Now, should I do bitch skirt instead of skirt, or should I do size matters? Let me know. Dude, huge shout out to Brian for sticking up with us and like taking pictures. He's awesome. Go give him a follow if you guys don't already. Oh, dude, is that just me or do you feel like rumbling in your anus? Like, you deadass feel it.
I don't want to answer that.
It's like vibrating seats, dude, I swear. The mid pipe ends like right over here where we're sitting. It literally, I feel my butt shaking. It's like a vibrating seat. The sad part is, I'm probably louder than that freaking semi over there. So last time I talked to you guys was like 2 or 3 days ago. I'm not exactly sure where we left off, but I do know that last time you guys saw the car, it didn't have an exhaust. The car still doesn't have an exhaust, but we got the exhaust back today. And shout out to Beamer Clinic in New Jersey for welding up this titanium exhaust. Apparently you can't just take it to a normal exhaust shop because this titanium is like super thin, but dude, these are some really nice welds. But I'm really glad the exhaust is finally fixed. I'm expecting the car to be a lot quieter. It is gonna be a little quieter, but it's gonna sound better. Also, we're gonna have to clean her up for the meet tonight. Me and a buddy of mine, actually Rittler, that you guys just saw earlier in the video, are hosting a car meet. If you guys follow my Snapchat or my Instagram, you guys know that I've been talking about this for like the past 3 days now. It should be a good turnout. Hopefully it doesn't get shut down super fast. But before we go to the meet, I have to put the exhaust back on. I have to clean up the car. Mother Nature just straight poo-pooed on my car. The exhaust is back on the car, all tightened up. I'm really excited to hear what it sounds like now that it's fixed and everything. Now we have to wash the car. I'm super tired because it's really, really hot, but we really have to get going. Cold start! Little update, I cleaned up the car, we're headed out to the meet. We got the racer, Jay himself behind me. We got Juan behind him. What I just invested in is one of these walkie-talkies, and Jay's gay, over.
Oh, I have half a gallon of tank, over.
You have half a gallon of tank? What the fuck does that mean? Over? Oh!
Gas, over.
Yo, Jay, you have a faster car than me, and you're still behind, over. So recently what I've been noticing is that I'm getting into this really bad habit of not closing out my videos, and I want to try to change that, and I wanted to especially change that for this video because I wanted to thank everyone that came out last night to the meet. Thank you to everyone who came out. Thank you to everyone who tried to come out. The meet was genuinely bigger than I expected. I really did not expect that many people to show up, so it was like awesome that so many people did. I also want to apologize because I completely forgot to record. Like, I left my house with the cameras planning to record, but once I got there, it completely slipped my mind. I was having so much fun talking to everybody that I completely forgot to pick up the camera. However, for the next meet, I'll make sure I record. But seriously, thank you to everyone who came out and made the meet awesome. I'm going back to the car. I'm really happy the exhaust is finally fixed. It is a lot quieter, but it sounds a whole lot better. But I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.